Good morning, students. This is Dr. Swati Bugalia. I am an assistant professor in Department of Agriculture at Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about seed quality. So, first of all, what is seed? So, seed is a basic input in agriculture. Strictly speaking, seed is an embryo, a living organism embedded in the supporting or the food storage tissue. In seed, the importance is given to the biological existence, whereas in the grain, the importance is given to the supporting tissue, the economic produce. As per Seed Act 1966, seeds includes seed of food crop, cotton seed, seeds of cattle fodder, jute seeds, seedling, tuber, bulb, rhizomes, roots, cuttings, all types of grafts and other vegetatively propagated material for food crops. Importance of quality seeds. Ensure genetic and physical purity of the crop. Gives desired plant population capacity to withstand the adverse conditions. Seedling produced will be more vigorous, fast growing, and can resist pest and disease incidents to certain extent. Ensures uniform growth and maturity. Development of root system will be more efficient than aids absorption of nutrition efficiently. It will respond well to added fertilizer and other inputs. Good quality seeds of improved varieties ensure higher yield at least 10 to 12%. Major seed quality characters. Seed quality is the possession of seed with required genetic and physical purity that is accompanied with physiological soundness and health status. The major seed quality characters are physical quality, genetic purity, physiological quality, and seed health. So, first of all, physical quality. It is the cleanliness of seed from other seeds, debris, inert matter, disease seed, and insect damaged seeds. The seed with physical quality should have uniform size, weight, and color and should be free from stones, debris, dust, leaves, twigs, stems, flowers, fruits, and without other crop seeds and inert material. It also should be devoid of shriveled, disease mold, discolored, damaged, and empty seeds. The seed should be easily identifiable as a specific species. Lack of this quality character will indirectly influence the field establishment and planting value of seed. This quality character could be obtained with seed lot by proper cleaning and grading of seed after collection and before sowing. Then genetic purity. It is the true to type nature of the seed, that is seedling, plant or tree. From seed should resemble its mother in all aspects. This quality character is important for achieving the desired goal of raising the crop, either yield or for resistance or for desired quality factors. Physiological quality. It is the actual expression of seed in further generation. Physiological quality character of seed comprises of seed germination and seed vigor. The liveliness of the seed is known as viability. The extent of liveliness for production of good seedling or the ability of seed for production of seedling with normal root and shoot under favorable condition is known as germinability. Seed vigor is the energy or stamina of the seed is produced in producing elite seedling. It is the sum total of all seed attributes that enable its regeneration under any given condition. Seed vigor determines the level of performance of seed or seed lot during germination and seedling emergence. Seed which perform well at sowing are termed as quality seed, and based on the degree of performance in production of elite seedling, it is classified as high, medium and low vigor seeds. Then आता है seed health. Health status of seed is nothing but the absence of insect infestation and fungal infection in or on the seed. Seed should not be infected with fungus or infested with insects, as these will reduce the physiological quality of the seed and also the physical quality of the seed in long term storage. The health status of seed Also include the deterioration status of seed, which also expressed through low vigor status of seed. The health status of seed influence the seed quality character directly and warrants their soundness in seed for the production of elite seedling at nursery or field. Then are the characteristics of good quality seeds. Then higher genetic purity, higher physical purity for certification, possession of good shape, size, color, etc. Higher physical soundness and weight, higher germination, higher physiological vigor and stamina, higher storage capacity, and last, free from other crop seeds. Other crop seeds are the main plant of cultivated crops found in the seed field and whose seeds are so similar to crop seed that it is difficult to separate them economically by mechanical means. For example, mixture of wheat, oats, seeds in barley.